Okay, we are back at the 6-bed HMO in Edgbaston. The new door has been fitted, that looks really nice. So white on the outside, white on the inside to match the inside walls. This is bedroom 1. Most of this will be done at the end. Bedroom 2. See the ceiling is being done. This is the bathroom. New windows are in. Very clear. And Ken has done the garden as well, which I'll show you shortly. Into the dining room. And then it's the kitchen. Okay, so now some of the fencing has been repaired. All this has been cut back, and we'll do it again in the spring as well. There's a new roof on here. This is just temporarily to make it safe and secure. People, our tenants, are going to want to use their bikes, really. Okay, so we'll put a bike rack in there to make sure it's safe and secure. Let's walk up. So the new support beam has finally been fitted, and then the plastering has just been done as well. There's a massive support beam across there. Bedroom 3. This is the ensuite. This is the bedroom. Let's have a look outside. This will be the cloakroom area for bedroom 3. Let's head into bedroom 4. Can I pop my head in? Yeah, thank you. So, decorating's been done. Looks brand new, as you can see. New windows there. Looks really good. There's the park back there. This should be a good sized room. Thank you. And so this is Studio 5. That's a pantry. That's the self-contained studio unit. And then this will be the big ensuite, bedroom. And there'll be a sofa there. That's a desk area. So it's sockets. That's the ensuite there. Sliding door. Okay, and then let's head up to the room 6, which is again another self-contained studio. Room. Again, it's got a desk, one office area over there, cooking facilities, and a shower unit. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We like to manage high quality HMOs and single-let in and around Birmingham. So source and renovate properties for our landlord clients. There's some new windows there as well. Alright, see you.